All right, in today's video, we're gonna inspect a flip that we're doing. We paid $299,000 for this property. It should sell for about $400,000. Hopefully, we've been in it a little bit longer. Again, this is something that we had outsourced to our employees, but it ends up being that they can't find contractors, so I end up using my guys. So I'm gonna walk you through one of my guys who's been with me for 17 years. That tells you a lot of things. It tells you, number one, that they rely on me. I feed a lot of families. These are all immigrants, so they all came from a different country. One thing I like about Maynard is even though he screws up a lot, there's nothing he's never not finished. So it's important to have somebody that's got your back and makes things right, even if they screw things up. Because a lot of people screw things up, a lot of people don't make things right. So we're gonna go give you a tour and we're gonna kind of inspect the property. The other thing is we're looking to get this thing all dialed in for curb appeal. And so one of the things that Maynard's suggestion, so right now, oh, it's already been blue tape, that's good. So we need to fix those screens. The door color, we're either gonna go between a blue and a red. What's up, Jose?
How you doing, sir?
¿Cuántos años trabajando para mí?
8 years?
8 años?
Maybe.
8 años, I think. Más. No, más?
Más?
Más, maybe.
Wow, you speak Spanish very good.
No. Honduras?
Yes. Man,
yeah.
What a memory too.
See. All right, so this is looking a lot better. One thing that they've gotten better on is putting these types of things. When I mean like paper. Did we redo this? No, we didn't.
No, that's original.
So we need to get this cleaned up pretty good. Like we might want to paint this with some sort of acrylic paint, or do we just clean this up really good?
I think we originally talked about just cleaning it up.
Kitchens and bathrooms though, right? I mean, we could do a lot just by doing a few things in here. By the way, little tip, I got this from one of my students who takes our mentorship class. These are called Fandeliers, and these things are amazing. You can order them off Amazon. How much are they, Danny?
50 bucks.
50 bucks. Normal light fixture would be like 20 bucks. And then a regular ceiling fan would be like 50 bucks or more, 100 bucks?
150.
150. So you got these Fandeliers. Let's see how they work. Is this the remote? Is it hooked up? It's a great thing. Once it's hooked up, right, let's see if the other one's working. Does that one work?
No.
All right, so we got problems with the Fandeliers. Maynard!
¿Qué pasó?
You know your fans don't work?
My fans?
Your
They
fan
don't work because we are changing the outlets and the switches.
Oh, okay,
So the
gotcha.
breakers are down.
So let me ask you a quick question real quick. The bathroom over there, you think we should change the tile out in that?
If I think if we should,
Yeah.
yes.
All right, okay, how much?
3,000. Fucking nice.
I guess we're not doing
Like
that.
a fucking wall. No, I'll probably say like 1,600, 1,800.
Okay, let's do, this looks nice and clean. How many tools have you lost?
Oh, fucking a lot.
What's the number one tool that's been stolen from you?
The spray painter,
How much are those?
like 1,500.
How many have you gotten stolen?
Like 7, 8, probably.
9?
Probably.
10?
Yeah.
Just out of the back of your truck?
I don't carry in the back of my truck anymore.
Is that where they used to get stolen?
Yes. I mean.
At like when you're going into Home Depot?
Yeah.
So let's go look at this bathroom real quick. You guys put this in?
Yes.
This looks nice. I don't think you need to do a new pan. Let's keep the sink. I don't know if you need to redo this. This looks fine.
No, I don't think so.
So just this, use the same flooring that you used in there. You guys can have this done in how many days?
3 probably.
3 days, okay, cool. So let's start doing that one right now. All right, so let's go to the next one, all right? You wanna walk us through this house? Oh, so you got the light on now. So these things are great, huh?
Yeah.
Maynard, another question. How many years you been working with me?
I think in December is gonna be 18.
Okay, so how do we get more handymen in, because you're not really a handyman, you do the full job. Handyman's not your specialty, right?
No.
But you can.
Yeah, I can do that, yeah.
How do you say in Espanol, this guy needs a handyman to contact him?
Troy necesita un buen handyman que se presente en el trabajo, que esté a su tiempo, que no tome y que sea responsable con el trabajo.
This looks great. Great job on this. This looks fantastic. We just need that other one to look equally fantastic. I think this is all fine. You might have to change this to be black.
The hardware?
Yeah, the hardware. I think the same tile would be fine. It'd probably be easier for you to put in this way. Okay, so this one's wrapping up. All right, let's go in here. So this looks great. Okay, all right, dude. I almost was not coming back from that one. So this looks great in here. Probably just need to blow and go this one. Who did the carpet?
A friend of mine.
What's he charging you?
For this whole house, $950.
It's a good price.
It is.
Yeah.
It is.
How long did it take him?
The day.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's like army of 5. Boom, 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 boom. Like at noon.
You sure you're not drinking?
Promise you, man. It'll be a year. It'll be a year in October 28th.
All right, so let's go down here. This is nice and cool down here, huh? I hope you guys are turning this AC off when you leave. Please,
Okay, we will.
because this thing is colder than hell. So we just need to change out the handles. We got to do something here too. I don't think we got to do too far. Is this just dirt?
No, that's caca.
Okay, so this is fine once we clean it up. All right, nice big old deck.
Is it self-level?
Yes.
So you're just filling in all the cracks and then you're gonna squeegee it. So how many more days over here?
With the bathroom by Tuesday, probably Wednesday.
So we need to paint this back door. We need to paint the front door. What was done over here?
That was from the sewer line.
So they didn't put their shit back. So we're gonna have them put their shit back. Otherwise it's coming out of the bill. Again, our guy was supposed to check that, didn't get checked. Therefore payment was released. Job's not complete. We have a good relationship with this contractor. It's just easy to say, hey, you gotta do this. You know, he knows he needs to do this. He knows that it needs to go back there. He probably was just trying to make sure it worked right. All right, so what do we owe you, Maynard, right now? What are you trying to get a draw for?
I have a draw for partner and I have a draw for this broker.
Is it everything good?
I gotta go through the line items on the phases, but
Can you do it by the end of the day?
yeah.
So you can get paid today. So here's what I'll do. We're gonna owe you more money. I'll just call Julie and tell her to authorize it right now. And then if you f***ed up, we'll just take it out on the next job.
You know that I'm never gonna run away.
I do know that about you. You may not be 100% honest about everything.
I am with you, man. What are you talking about? Come on.
Can you release Maynard's payment for $7 grand? I guess it's on 2 different properties. Just approve him. He's fine.
Yeah.
He ain't going anywhere. He's the last guy I'm worried about. Unless he dies. I'm more worried about him dying than him screwing me.
Talking about these doors, are we gonna change this hardware? The whole doors have a different hardware. The front door has a brushed nickel, this one has brushed nickel, that one has gold, and that one has gold. So just asking that way I can buy the whole package and use one key for all the doors.
I would just use all black because you got black everywhere else.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Another question. Down here, there's like 3 or 4 doors. They're like this.
Yeah, we got to replace them.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll finish this house next week by Friday.
It was just Tuesday.
Yeah, but I mean, all the items.
Wow, and Tuesday goes to Friday like that? So you got to finish this carpet.
Yeah, that carpet, because it was put it in the wrong way.
Mm-hmm.
That's why you see the seam. So he used it for the stairs. So I gotta get another piece of carpet for here.
All right, so you could pick red or blue, but I would pick red because you know the color.
I got that red.
All right, then use the red. I think this place looks good, man, overall.
Yeah, backyard. Did you see the backyard before?
Yeah,
So we just finished it last week. It was pretty bad.
yeah. And then you guys got to replace those screens. You see that?
Yes, we still. That's what they have the blue tape on.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Does that blue tape help you out?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Okay. It's a loud noise. All right, cool, man. Appreciate it.
Senor.